What's up, you guys? Welcome back to SimpleSickBuilds. Today I'm actually gonna be tearing apart the interior of my new Honda de la Sol that I purchased. Well, used, not new, because it's not new, but I'm gonna tear everything apart. I'm gonna make sure the carpet gets washed, everything. So I'm gonna see as much as I can do to the interior, that I can take door panels, everything off. And I bought a few things here and there, like little car parts, miscellaneous stuff for the interior. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so what I purchased that was in this bag was this handle for the T-top. And if you guys need the part number, there's the part number for that. This is the left side of the T-top I was missing. If you guys saw my other video, I have the passenger one, but I don't have the left side. So I'm gonna install this so I can make it that much quicker, just to remove the top so I can start unbolting seats. Just pretty much I want to clean everything, every nook and cranny of the car. And the carpet smells a little funky, so you know, probably gonna power wash that or something. But let's see how much I can get done today, because I really want to convert this thing, but it's not insured, it's not registered yet, and I still haven't smogged it. So let me get to putting this stuff on, and we'll go from there. Alright, you guys, super straightforward install. You got your lever and your little screw, and if you didn't have the screw, this little screw for the lever, you're gonna have to obviously order one. So yeah, and by what I meant by converting, meaning I want to convert my car to stick shift. Right now I'm just gonna do stay with the single cam VTEC that I have, but obviously it's gonna be stick. So that's what I meant by converting. For those that haven't caught on or are not listening to what I said, but it's cool, you know. But I just lost some, man. Where did it go? Okay, I found it. So the funny thing is, there's a cover that goes on here, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. This is the part number for the cover. You know, you wouldn't expect it to have its own part number, and I'll show you what the hell it is. So to me, it's just, I don't know why it doesn't just come with that, since you're already buying that. It's this little thing. That's all it is, and it's just to cover the screw. And I'll show you guys in a little bit, like I said. But yup, bam, it's done. Yeah, it's done. All right, guys. Let me take this off, and we'll get to taking everything apart. Alright, so that's the little cover that it came with, separate from the actual handle. They sell it together, but I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why it has its own part number, but it's so satisfying. I don't know if the camera's focusing, but it's so satisfying just having to click off. I can't do it with one hand, can I? Yes, I can. Alright, I got that done, but for now, I'm gonna take the top off and sit it on this. I'm gonna set everything here. And yeah, give me 1 second, because I can't take this off with just one hand. So yeah. Alright, so now that I took off the top, I'm gonna proceed to take each door panel off. I'm not gonna show you that, but the reason I'm gonna take off the door panels is because I purchased this that holds the door from swinging all the way out. So I'm gonna take off first the driver's side door panel and install this thing. And after that, I'm good to go with just taking the rest of everything off, because I'll do it, like I said, I want to take off everything in this car. Like everything. Every plastic piece, make sure it has every clip, everything. So let me take these panels off. Obviously, you guys don't want to see me take off door panels. And it's a Honda. It's just 2 screws and everything. It's just pop clips. So let me take it off, and then I'll show you what I mean by this thing that doesn't have one. But I'll show you right now. Alright, so here's one thing. I opened the door, right? And let me show you guys what exactly I found, right? So, exposed wires, that's one thing. Remember I thought I was missing this thing that holds the door open? Well, it's just chilling inside here. So guys, every time you buy a used car, make sure you just open up panels, especially when it's a Honda, because so many people get a hold of these cars and you don't know what they do to them. And let me get the camera away from me a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So yeah guys, let me keep on digging through this because I didn't even know it had this, and I went off and purchased this, but I don't know if you guys see the difference. The one I purchased is short. So let me see if I can fix this and I'll get back to you in a little bit. So guys, like I said before, always make sure you take stuff apart. I found the whole thing, all this stuff, even this thing. I don't know why this little cotter pin thing was inside the damn door. I fixed it. The door works now. Doesn't swing all the way open like it wants to like have suicide doors or something. I'm gonna take off the other part, well, the other panel, and then I'm gonna see how fast it takes me to take off the complete interior of this car, but not the dash. I'm not fucking with the dash because that's intact. That's perfect. Everything else needs to go. Maybe even these, take them out and clean inside of them, but I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna try to like just time lapse it, see how quick I can do it. All right, guys. All right, guys. So now that I removed the panel and fixed that little thing, I'm gonna do a time lapse and see how long it takes me to remove all this. So I guess enjoy the time lapse. Sorry guys for interrupting, but if you guys are enjoying this video, remember, give me a thumbs up. But I just want to let you guys know, this week, well this Saturday, it's Carnival, and I don't know if it's in Alameda or Pleasanton area, but if you guys are out there, make sure to say hi, come up to me, shake my hand, talk to me. A couple of days ago, I ran into a subscriber and he messaged me saying he was too embarrassed to talk to me. Come talk to me, man, I don't care. You guys are my motivation, so when you guys come up to me and talk to me and ask you for stuff or questions about, I'm happy to help if I know it, but if I don't, I'll research it and try to do it on my own car and help you guys out. So yeah guys, continue watching the video. I just had to say that. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so after like an hour of me taking stuff apart, you saw this is what I'm left with. I picked up all my tools and I put all my stuff like in here, everything that's mine that I took apart. I'm gonna show you, sorry the camera was bad, but I'm gonna do this quick because my camera's about to die. But this is everything that I found in this car, okay? That, brake fluid, quarters, pennies, there's the damn antenna, just stuff like miscellaneous stuff. And you know what's funny guys, there's $1 in here and I want to grab it, but it's all crispy. I don't know if you guys can hear how crispy it sounds like. Yo, I can't make this up guys, like seriously, I cannot make that up. Look how nasty this looks. Yeah, I can't make that up, man. If you guys don't believe me, that's on y'all, but I'm even gonna look under the carpet real quick just to see what else is down here. It's pretty clean underneath, but this car stinks. Something stinks in this car. And there's wires like going, I guess, for a sub. You know, all this. I don't want a sub in this car. I took out the speakers. I'm gonna put new speakers. You guys saw those little bezels. Let me show you the little bezels real quick. By the way, there's all the parts that came out. That's everything. That's the panel, and the other panel I haven't took it off. I haven't got to it, but here's the bezels. These bezels, I'm gonna like obviously clean them up, make sure they're nice to go. Everything's gonna get clean, like inside and out. But yeah, guys, let's even look under this side real quick. Yeah, let's just. I guess I got $1 from it, guys, and I'm not taking that part off. all this is gonna stay. Took me a couple, but I knocked it out. Took off everything because I am gonna take off this weather stripping here and this ugly ass weather strip. I don't know if you guys can see right here. That I'm gonna take all that off, but yeah. So this is what I'm left with, and I'm not gonna be able to finish it today, so I'm gonna leave the carpet in there, and the next time I'll take it out and show you how I'm gonna prepare it or wash it or see what I'm gonna do. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me today. By the way, this is all, I didn't do any reviews about anything because I haven't bought anything for my car yet, but that will be coming soon. I have some stuff coming for it, so just give me a second because, you know, gotta pay them bills first. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions of how I took certain parts off, everything's mostly clips and little screws. That's it, clips and screws. So before my camera dies, please throw me a thumbs up. If you like all my content, leave a comment down below, ask me any questions. Consider subscribing, smash that notification bell so you can know every time I upload. Sorry, I'm lost for words, I'm tired. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. And like I said before, any questions down below. Peace, y'all.